What if I told you that you can run your code without managing any servers? No EC2, no maintenance, no headache. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to build and deploy your first AWS Lambda function, the easiest way to run code in the cloud. AWS Lambda is a Amazon serverless compute service. That means you upload your code and AWS run it only when needed, automatically scaling up and down. Let's build a simple Lambda functions that say hello to the world. You can do this right inside the AWS management console. Go to the AWS console, Lambda, and create a function. Choose author from scratch. Name it Hello Lambda. Select the runtime, Python 3.9. Click on the create a function. And just like that, AWS setup of everything you need. Permission, roles, ready to run environment. Type these simple functions. These little functions return a friendly greetings. You can even pass a parameters. For example, or name. Throw an API call or another AWS service. Time to test. Click on the test. Create a new test event with a JSON. Then run the test. Boom. Your Lambda functions is just ran without a single server. That is the power of a serverless. Next step, connect Lambda to the API gateway. Now let's make these functions public using API gateway. So anyone can call it using a simple URL. Go to the add a trigger, select API gateway. Choose a create a new API. In security, select open for demo only. For productions, it is not so allowed. Click on the add. AWS automatically generate an HTTP endpoint for your functions. You can now call it directly from your browser or Postman. Now, last step, cleanup. API gateway and Lambda. Delete the API gateway first and then Lambda. Real world use case. Lambda is everywhere, from chatbot and file processing to real-time alert and AI integration. Combine it with S3 DynamoDB or SNS, and you have got a complete event-driven architecture. And that is AWS Lambda in just 5 minutes. If this made serverless feel simple, drop a #serverless comment and share this with someone learning cloud tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick cloud demo every week.